Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a great holiday. I'm just going to go over the agenda real quick for you today. So, by the time Monday ends, should have completed on Google Classrooms your week one assignments and your week two. We're the third of the way through summer school already. Ask yourself these questions of identity. Who am I? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this way? How can I be the best version of myself today? I notice some students are turning in about half the work. Is it because the other half is a little more challenging or you have questions? Is it because I'm not managing my time? How can we be better? How can I be better moving forward today? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this way? So today we're going to get to know one another. We're going to be good listeners. We're going to stay focused on the Google Meets, and we're going to limit distractions on the Chromebook and at home. So today we're going to be catching up on the first 2 weeks of work. You're going to give it your best effort. You're going to ask questions to Mr. Salk if you need help, and you can comment on Google Classrooms. You can leave a stream. You can say something. You can email me. My email is in the syllabus, and I also have posted it recently right here. I've reached out to every single one of you. Please do not hesitate. Join the live sessions, talk to me, go to my office hours. Because really, summer school, this is not about you getting 100% on an assignment. I'm doing activities, hopefully that interest you. Hopefully that teach you something about yourself. Hopefully that short story was intriguing to you. I tried to pick something that was kind of along the kind of quarantine pandemic theme about taking things for granted and all the other themes that can relate to our young life so far. There's no punishment for getting something wrong because a lot of English is, kiddos, is inferring and analyzing, but how you see the text, how you see things, not how I see things. I'm not grading you to say, oh, Mr. Schalk would think of it this way and I think of it this way. No. Really think about what I'm asking you to do and just give it your best effort. And I know it was a holiday weekend, okay? And I hope you guys had a lot of fun. That is why I'm giving you an extra day to do this work. So please reach out to me today. I'll also be posting a video. We're going to be breaking down the reading check from Thursday just so you guys can get a better picture of what I'm trying for you guys to do, okay? Have a great Monday.